Assets, meaning pronunciation, A-S-E-T-S, meaning. Assets refer to anything of value or usefulness that a person, company, or organization owns. This can include physical items like property, money, or equipment, as well as intangible items like intellectual property or investments. Simple meaning: assets equals valuable things that someone owns. Common uses. 1. Assets, noun, general, items of value owned by an individual or entity. Example: his assets include a house, a car, and a savings account. 2. Assets, noun, financial, resources or items that can generate income or be used to pay debts. Example: the company's assets are listed on its balance sheet. 3. Assets, noun, legal, property or resources that can be used in a legal context, like during a court case or bankruptcy. Example: the assets of the estate were divided between the heirs. 4. Assets, noun, figurative, qualities or resources that contribute to success or achievement. Example: her communication skills are one of her greatest assets in the workplace. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The company's assets include real estate, equipment, and intellectual property. 2. He sold some of his assets to pay off his debts. 3. The team's greatest asset is their strong sense of teamwork. 4. They have many assets, including stocks and bonds. 5. The lawyer advised them to protect their assets during the divorce. Real-life explanation. Assets are things you own that have value. This can range from money and property to intangible items like skills, intellectual property, or investments that help in achieving goals or generating income.